Welcome to another episode of Cooking with the BoozinBlogger. That's right, DuanesWorld, Cooking with DuanesWorld. We are here, we are going to make jalapeno poppers. Everybody watched the movie Beetlejuice? Do you remember that movie? Where if you said Beetlejuice 3 times, he would show up. I'm really hoping that I can do this trick, pull it out of the air. What if I say beer review guy 3 times? Beer review guy. Beer review guy. Beer review guy. What's up? It's the beer review guy.
How you doing, buddy? Nice to see you. Thanks for the short notice.
Cheers.
We just did awkward handshakes.
Yeah, but we're awkward individuals.
What's going on?
We're gonna do a cooking video.
And what are we making?
We are making jalapeno poppers. How about you get?
That's exciting.
Yes, bacon jalapeno poppers.
What if you don't like heat? Then you get out of the fucking kitchen.
Exactly.
That's what I think. All right, let's get started then.
Okay, so we're gonna make some jalapeno poppers. But do you have something to say to the camera?
Actually, I wondered. Do you guys know why the baby pepper was shivering? He was a little chilly.
Bum, bum, bum.
So let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to get started. What we first have to do is you get 12 or 14, usually 12 jalapenos, but we're going to go
Some say a dozen.
Yes, but we're going to go 14.
That's 28 cut in half.
That's 28 cut in half. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut 14 jalapenos in half. Then we're going to add all the good stuff in between. So go, and here's Charles is going to actually do the work. I'm just going to sit back, drink, and commentate.
So, I've already started and cut the jalapenos in half. Please wear gloves, because if you accidentally scratch your bag, you're going to be crying all the way to the market. So yeah, just do this. And a trick to do it, if you have someone that doesn't like a lot of heat, what you do is you cut them in half and you leave the stem part for the people that do like a bit of heat. That way you know and you can tell them apart. If not, these happen to be hot ones. So you want to take the membrane out and the seeds. Watch your eyes, because it does kind of spit in your face.
By the way, this is Cinco de Mayo. We're shooting this on Cinco de Mayo. Yes, you will not get to view this on Cinco de Mayo, but because it's Cinco de Mayo, we decided to do jalapeno.
What did the Mexican say when his house fell on him? Get off me, Holmes. Alright, so you want to try to get as many of the seeds out. If not, it's a little bit surprise, and the whole fun is to have it hot. So keep doing this here, and keep, like I said, keep your face away, because it does get pretty hot. Dwayne, can you pass me the bag?
The bag? Yes, the bag with our seeds in it. I am actually going to plant these seeds later.
You'll have to wash your hands now, because you touched the bag.
Yeah, I'm actually going to plant these seeds later and grow jalapenos in my backyard garden.
Do you have a plate for all these?
Oh, maybe. Oh, there. Oh my God. It's amazing. We have
the magic of television.
We have, boom. He's already done like 12 of them.
And not quick. Too fast, too furious.
Too Charles. I like this video already, because you know who's not doing any work? Me. What am I doing? I am doing the thing that I love to do most of the
Well, you're going to do the second portion.
Am I? Oh, shit.
Yep.
Okay, apparently I'm going to do something.
You talk too soon.
But I'm going to drink beer too while we're waiting.
Alright, so we are done the tedious part, which does take a long time, but if you don't want to burn your mouth, it's worth the extra time. Those seeds are killer. I like the heat because I'm not a sissy. Someone is. I won't make it too obvious, but yeah, it's I like the heat, and so take your gloves off. Make sure you don't touch your hands. Wash your hands right away, just in case there was a hole in the glove. I'm going to throw these out. I'll be right back. Hello, darling. Did you miss me? All right, go ahead and talk.
All right, so now that Charles has gutted the jalapenos, because honestly I don't do good with heat, so we need seeds out, but he has made some. If they have a stem, like this one, then it's still got a couple of seeds in there and it'll be hot. Okay, so what we need now is we need to make our filling for the jalapeno poppers. So basically what we need is 1/2 teaspoon, see me being the BoozinBlogger, we're using shot glasses, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, but as you know with me, we don't eat salt, so we eat Mrs. Dash, so there you go. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, so we're going to take fresh black pepper, or cracked black pepper, and that's good. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, and there's our black pepper. So we're going to take 8 ounces of cream cheese. These are 127 ounces of pop, which is
227.
Oh, 227? Thank you, Charles. These are 227 of pop, which is almost, not quite. So we'll do 1.5 of these. We're just using Philadelphia original cream cheese. So we put that in the bowl. We are going to stir this mother up. You can use a mixer, you can use whatever, but I'm just going to use a spoon. Okay, so we've mixed this all together. Let's see what we got. That tastes pretty good. So I think we're good there. So we leave the fork in there. Then I get my handy dandy assistant back, Mr. Charles, the beer review guy. Okay, so now we're going to fill.
Look at the seeds. Whoever gets that tomorrow, the ring of fire. The ring of fire.
We're going down, down, down in the burning ring of fire.
I think like this is probably.
Yeah, now you take that concoction that I just made and you fill it in the jalapenos just like that. My assistant is fucking amazing, by the way. Alright, so now that Charles has everything filled, we made a mistake a little bit. You can take 8 ounces of Mexican cheese, okay, put it in your concoction when you're stirring it up before you put it into the jalapenos, but got a bit of cheese, and that's my fault. Yeah, I've had too much to drink. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to top them with cheese, and then before we do our final process. As far as I'm concerned, cheese is cheese. And it's going to be fucking beautiful. So we top the poppers with cheese. The recipe says 8 ounces of cheese. We're going like 16 ounces of cheese. That's all. Again, like all my cooking videos, we will have the instructions below. All right, Charles.
So now, how we want to do the bacon?
We want to wrap the
half of one.
Yeah, see if 1/2 will do. So now we're going to wrap the jalapenos in bacon. Because you know what? Bacon is fucking good, especially for Canadians. Bacon, jalapeno bits. So now we're going to bake it for 20 minutes and see what we got. Alright, so our jalapeno poppers are cooked. They smell absolutely amazing. Here we go. Look at that beauty. Okay, my muffin mitts, not that good.
You know what I call that, guys? Your birthday, wrapped in Christmas.
Or bacon.
When do we get to try these?
We get to try them after they've cooled down a little bit because I'm pretty sure you're going to burn your mouth. Alright, so I'm going to plate these so that at least they cool off a little faster than they are on the pan, I think. Oh my god, they look so amazing. Alright, we're going to test it.
They're hot. My mouth's on fire.
Woo! I'm gonna throw up.
So it's not spicy, but let it cool down. It's a stem and I heard a seed fall.
Our jalapeno poppers are finally out of the oven, and I don't like heat. I do not like spices at all. I'm kind of wimpy when it comes to that. But you know what? I am going to eat one. Look at that, folks. Just look at that. It looks good. Oh my god. There's a little bit of heat. Okay, there's a lot of bit of heat, but it's really, really good. Right? Come here, Charles.
We did it.
I think we did good. We did
Awesome.
really good.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.